The ruling this afternoon by Parish Judge Montague in the Sentence Bay Parish Court vindicated what we have been saying all along, that these three persons ought not to have been charged under this legislation that has brought them before the court. Following a no-case submission made by Queen's Counsel Champagne, it was ruled that neither of the accused persons had a case to answer, and subsequently they have been freed, found not guilty. And it indicates that what Mr. Champagne and I were saying from the start, that this case ought not to have been brought, has now been verified by this parish court. Mr. Champagne?
Just needless to say that the all accused persons are relieved, and as was said by Mr. Finson just now, they have been vindicated in the court today. Thank you.
Could you say why do you think they should not have been charged for the onset?
Yes, we had indicated, and Mr. Champagne had pointed out, that there is an alternative process in the legislation where if it is believed by the authorities that a person is littering, then the person can be ticketed. To charge the person for a criminal offense suggests that there may have been some other motive in this prosecution.
The judge did say that the police are going to be on the lookout for persons who use that site because it is not an authorized site. What's your thinking? Yeah, it's not an authorized dumping site. What's your thinking into this?
Well, even in relation to that, not that we're encouraging the public to dump there, let that be clear, but even in relation to that, that has not really been settled, and certainly from what you heard in court today, there was no evidence to suggest that that was an official site for which there was no dumping at all. But that was not the basis upon which the case was determined, as Mr. Finson just indicated.
Yes. I know you guys look at facts, right? But there are people out there who probably will be sharing the opinion that this is another politician got off the hook. What would your response to those people be?
My response to that is that perhaps this is a politician that should not have been charged and may have been charged because of politics.
Elaborate on that.
Eh?
Please elaborate on that.
No, man, we go to